Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Delicious Recipe. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious pork with bamboo shoot. For this we need pork. I've washed and kept it. This is a very special kind of leaf. We call it as jaiur in Khasi language. This is also known as jabrang in Boro language. Even the Nagas, they are very fond of this leaf. Now we just place the pork in the pot by heating it up. These are the spices which is needed. It's local spices, so I didn't add any masala. Chilli, garlic and onion. Add salt. Stir it up. We can see that right now I did not add any water. But after a few minutes, when it dries up, we'll add water. Potatoes. Keep on stirring so that it won't burn. We do this so that the oil will come out from the pork. Once the pork is dried, we'll add water to it. Wow, I can get the smell now. It's boiling. We'll cover it for a few minutes. This is a dried bamboo shoot. Dipped inside the water and washed it. Now I'll add it to the meat. This is the leaf I've mentioned earlier. I'll chop it into pieces. Keep on adding. Wow, it smells good. It's ready now. It looks so delicious, isn't it? If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.